Okay, today I'm working on a Kenmore matching washer and dryer set. The dryer is electric, and here we've got the washer going. Full load of jeans, basically. Heavy load. Like to run it through and let you get a listen to it, take a look at it, especially that final spin cycle so you can see it's nice, smooth, sounds great, and everything works on it as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's why I do these videos. So as a buyer, you know everything works good. So we're gonna let it fill up. We'll come back and listen to it agitate, listen to it drain, and then that final spin cycle. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer and let you hear that and show you that it's drying, has the heat and everything like it's supposed to. So we'll come back. Okay, we've moved through the wash cycle and drained all the water out, filled back up. Now we're on the rinse. And Google thinks I'm talking to it. Here we go, draining. The first rinse load out. You can hear that there. And that noise you heard immediately when I started this portion of the video was the agitation. And it's got the agitator in the center there that moves only one way, then it kicks back the other, and that's how it agitates and draws those clothes down, always in like a circular cyclone motion. It's the part that actually cleans your clothes. People who are used to front load machines, they're not used to hearing that agitation sound, so some people can say, oh, it sounds weird like it's knocking. That's what it's supposed to sound like. If you didn't hear that, then your agitator is not working correctly and your clothes are not getting clean. It's just essentially filling up with water, draining, filling up, draining, and then spinning. So if you have this style with that agitator in the middle and in the wash cycle you don't hear it kicking like that, it's not actually working. This actually has a brand new set of the agitator dogs, so the agitation cycle is very strong, like brand new, which is important for getting your clothes clean. So we'll give this a minute to switch over and we'll come back when it starts spinning. Okay, and we are spinning at full speed on the spin cycle. I'm going to lift this lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning as fast as it can there. Not really supposed to do that, but you'll see it's going to stop, come to a full stop. This is the agitator here that I was talking about. Only spins one direction freely. The other direction it won't spin back. That's how it's supposed to be there. So, alright, we'll let that finish up. Move those clothes over to the dryer and show that to you. Okay, so we've got the washer cleaned out. It's nice and clean there. Got those clothes moved over to the dryer. You see the light's nice and bright and everything. So close that up. Just do time dry, high heat, hit go. You can hear that sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you with my little temperature gun here that is in fact heating. This is a surface temperature gun. Just going to shine it on there. It's going to give you the surface temperature of. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot it right inside that heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. And that in turn heats up the inside of the dryer anywhere from 95 to 195. Just depends on what you have the setting. Up here we've got time dry, air dry, auto dry, and then you've got like a delicate setting for low heat and then medium and high. So we're gonna let that go ahead and dry. See, these guys are ready to go, so we'll get them up and listed. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.